At febi Truck, we believe that customers around the world should have access to the replacement parts they need for their new vehicles as soon as they hit the road. We are committed to being fast to market, and that means we are often the first to have products available for these new vehicles. However, as International Brand Development Manager, I know that the automotive aftermarket does not develop at the same pace everywhere. In the Middle East and Africa, for example, the latest truck model may be a Mercedes-Benz Actros MP4, which has been on the road in Europe for many years already. I know that customer needs vary from market to market, and a big part of my role is acting as a kind of ambassador for the regions that have a fleet which is perhaps 5 to 8 years behind the market here in Europe. On the other hand, today's mobility and the markets we are in change rapidly. I have to carefully observe regional developments to make sure febi Truck always has the product at the right time. This is the daily balancing act we have to perform as a company.